What if the biggest camera launch of the decade comes not from Sony, Canon, or Nikon, but from DJI? Known for drones and action cameras, DJI's rumored full-frame mirrorless camera is sparking significant industry discussion, potentially disrupting the traditional camera market. The mirrorless market has been caught in an expensive competition, with Sony excelling in sensor innovation, Canon in autofocus, Nikon gaining praise for the Z8, and Panasonic catering to filmmakers with video features. Despite advancements, creators still struggle to build cohesive ecosystems across brands. DJI, already dominant in consumer drones, wireless audio, gimbals, and the Osmo ecosystem, could complete the picture with a full-frame mirrorless camera. According to persistent industry rumors, DJI's first interchangeable lens camera could feature a 44 to 45 megapixel full-frame sensor, L-mount compatibility, advanced AI subject tracking, active cooling, and Hasselblad color science. On paper, those specifications place it directly against products costing $3,000 to $4,500. But specs are not the disruptive part. The disruptive part is integration. Imagine recording 8K footage with your camera syncing automatically to DJI microphones, sharing tracking data with a Ronin gimbal, receiving live drone monitoring, and transferring proxies to your smartphone for easy editing. Creators are saving hours each week. In 2026, time is more valuable than dynamic range. Competitors face challenges: Sony's vast but fragmented ecosystem, Canon's excellent hardware with a closed ecosystem, Nikon's momentum lacking DJI's creator-focused accessories, and Panasonic's strong position with its L-mount strategy and filmmaker-first approach. The rumored pricing makes the story even more interesting. If DJI enters between $2,800 and $3,200, it would undercut flagship hybrids while delivering features creators actually use daily. That's a dangerous combination. Historically, technology companies that simplify user experience often outperform companies focused solely on technical superiority. The trend supporting DJI is the rise of AI-assisted production, transforming cameras into intelligent tools with features like automatic framing and real-time collaboration. This shift poses a threat not just to high-end cinema cameras, but to hybrid models like the Sony a7 IV successor and Canon R6 series, which are favored by many creators seeking efficiency. If DJI launches as expected, the focus may shift from which camera has the best image quality to which ecosystem helps me create faster. This is a competition where DJI has a strong advantage. Thanks for watching. A year ago, a DJI mirrorless camera seemed impossible. Today, it feels inevitable. With potential aggressive pricing, Hasselblad color science, AI-powered workflows, and ecosystem integration, which brand should be most concerned? Sony, Canon, Nikon, or Panasonic? Share your predictions below.